Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the self-clean program on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. To use the self-clean program, of course, you need to go to the modes, then scroll down and find pre-rinse. Now you should set it to either short cleaning or long cleaning. There's not much difference, there's like 15 seconds, but it'll change how the blades rotate. You should add about half a liter of water and a drop of cleaning detergent in order to start cleaning it, and then you should select the right program and it'll just start like pre-washing it, so later it's easier to wash it. It's especially useful if you were doing some sugar work, some all the sticky things like sauces or dough, and yeah, here you can just simply fix it, like clean it with this, and then later on you'll need to clean it manually, of course, but it'll just be easier if you use the pre-rinse first. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.